anya bibi afawo ayama wo 7 days ye be ye ho fi e constitution e ye constitution le se be
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by bia be hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. Yenko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
Someone bibi afawo ayama wo 7 days ye be ye ho fi e constitution e ye constitution le se be ye promise ye presidential election ye do what to say that ye be tiro mu say so mu jaya jejema ye so ye be ja mu ajejemu e say ye kwa ma ye MP
say ye da sorry ya ye ti audio bi ene na mu wie mu say yam papa Stephen Ofosua Jare a wo ye constituency chairman ya e mai ni ye de ne ba power odi audio bi abeto so say yem maame ye MP papa ba akopɛ Phyllis na akoye okuno yem papa Stevie Ofosua Jare a ye de ne ba power say constituency chairman say wadi ye maame Phyllis na akoyo one na ye empamu agro a ye nso so a ye mma a ye delegates a ye de omu nyina ba power ye nimu say enye nokre na say mpo aye nokure mpo a yan de na nka yenimu se enkwala nketenkete mpo sa asem we nka omo na omo beka na nka nkonkoye se yem papa ana ye leader a woda ya no a nka wokasa ye nyina ye tie no na no na sa asem we ewo se efiri ba enti sa asem a yem papa ye chairman Stephen Ofosua Jare ode babetu dwa eye audio we ya me kasai uko various social media asemu na duru ho enti sesi aye opponent stations ni nyina du ha ena no pa we eye obatampa stage omugusu bo sa audio no
enti sesi anu sempemfo
fun fire man adam sa so kasa enti won o da mo se omonye me phone no mfi me so mo si me phone se ho na se me dwane Omako pamgo kese wo radio station nyina apamo mo ni obi amfa hwe na omo lo
and branded and called Dr. Baumia a liar. They continue saying it and they affirmed it deep, say, why a liar, a potential flag bearer then. Jamaica what I say. But about the patio, when we said that they should also go and apologize, have they apologized? They haven't. But Dr. Baumia creating pressure, we say, as a party, the sofa, we don't do that. When you go to the social media, the people that supported to work in the Japan, that I know, the people that we chat with, they are all angry. They are all angry and not supporting the interview that he did. Because gradually, while Shaya, a Bemana Lusu, your friend is unpopular. And it's becoming unpopular in the party. Because interview be about granted piano as a set seven projects as a settings. What the hell? Minimum galamse, you go for 9 galamse. Yatia ya kunto kwa bebe galamse ti yatia. We are fighting and looking for the people that do galamse. If you don't bring it on, name them. Let us go for them because we are fighting galamse in this country. And kofu abo Ghana krono awusu nim no. Mayehunu. Let us know the people that corrupted this country. I will bring them on. We and discuss it because we are anti-corruption crusader. Na so what the show na de bia sa na abeka dia. Na ya koye settings. It's like either you have a skeleton in your cupboard that you are protecting yourself that maybe NDC wouldn't come for you, or you don't want Dr. Bamiya to become a president at all costs. That is a beer mentality, because he said you are not better. So if you are not better there, I'll take the bitterness off, then the first moment to be see. Right. You understand? Right. So please, what do you say as member? Yeah? Professor Michael Quay report. Michael Quay report. It was revealed that Mr. Kennedy Japan should be removed from the party by two President Kasoafuo and some other big ways. No. If they do that, the timing is wrong. And when you party back or party, so that suggestion was wrong. Now they have intercepted videos and audios. The party wanted to have a press conference to show to Ghanaians, reveal it, statement on all that, right, to set as an actuality, to justify why they want to take you off from the.
Chino mind Ghana ho. Ena womu jini kwa etira. Na nke womu betina si ehuni say. Enwana womu da market no womu ni babi da. Eni nti na womu aye womu adwene say womu beda market. Nti se sa na ete dia sa nkofo we to aba. Edi tie NPP government say womu pe change. Womu pa hoto. Womu pe nyuma ye. Such a way as our market places in womu nkoda ho biem. Ena womu jina se de to aba di NPP government. Ena womu to aba di ma NDC se NDC. Embera no mfa nhyehye ye pa megu ho mami. NDC ba ye on fa nhyehye ye pa bia megu ho. Babia me da na menya asomdie kakra na me de to aba MPP na me to aba di ma NDC na NDC ba ye no wo bebibu no. Nti sanka NDC ewa adwene pa e de masa youth na nka NDC betena se aka se oh sankofo ye wo mo da market places ikura no wo mo ni babi da nti me se sa wo mo da na ehemfa na wo mo ye de ehemfa na wo mo beda nti se sa na te dia ma menye fast na mempe dan ba aku bi amesi edi asi ho edi ama wona wo mo da market places no set we ya me kwako bubu wo mo a na me koma wo mo solution mi bubu no na me ma wo mo solution na me ka kira say mi bubu me NDC government mi bubu wo dan no because mercy edan bi wa ha na kona tenam na ye ne nkakra na ye den nyesika na fa kwa rent because market no yensi market ni se wo mum na medam yesi market ni se wo fa nton ade be na me se wo ni babi danti na wo yusu a wo da ho eni nti na me NDC government me dwene ho no mercy dan di asi wo nti me ba be ka tro say free market na wo dam ni free na koda ha because baby a wo da ne kora no automatically enye save sanka NDC government no womu jino mind Ghana ho ene womu jino youth no ho a na they will give them solution before they will destroy baby a womu da say wo koto anoma buo ho a wo bubu anoma buo na anoma no be de na wada obe chinchin nti wona womu ni sika womu de be rent dan na womu abubo kiosk o market wona womu da ho no automatically no wa ma womu ebia ma womu anda na bubu na wobubu no automatically wo ka kire womu say womu ko ne number sabasa sa na pa kire because obi biala ogini obi biala ho no obegini ho hu ni say me say ade yi minini a me de be mo esese me ma obi na wodi shem at that moment ma obi ma wan fan shem no me ni adwempa e de ma wo nti sanka NDC government no wa adwenepa e de ma sankofo no wo mu bubu wo mo dan na ko mu be hu ni se wo mu ni babida nti mami si edan ba ko ntum na wo a wo benya student mattress no fa betum o bag ba ko ne kita wa fa besim seche we obi abenya babi ada seche we wo bubu kura na wo bubu wi a wasa so amawo ebia wo mudi wo mu tibe den wo mudi wo mu tibeto
amonu ano no ha no ye nyina ye tikruma no mu be ya forensic audit ni be wie no wo de si
je na da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we je say yenim oman ni issue ayewo Koye hwene ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yede ma o man we ya. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na di chere Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders are KBA the new patriotic party. The leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say hospitals and the go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is can kan dey wasa go to me say oh, I mean say we say people for happen for. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya for. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya for. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem okeke mu kaka. Why are they shouting? Obi an kana no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Market women omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi an kana no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yen ketenkete ya adwen ketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square yen ketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open konketenkete. Is enya mo den. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me. Me na wo ne wo si akire me sabi me na me ko ka kire radio drama ni ma so o mema us come to mutu wana. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the radio drama ni mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay me beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bia Yokofuo chro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me say fiam Remona Chapa ya hype say where ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post.
Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say dependent boy.